In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Booking.com. Whether you're planning a last-minute getaway or organizing a trip for next year, having an account can make managing your bookings seamless and straightforward. So, let's dive into the process, which only takes a few moments of your time. To start, you'll need to visit the official Booking.com website. Open your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and type in https www.booking.com into the address bar. This will bring you to the Booking.com homepage, which is your gateway to a world of accommodation options. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a link labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a drop-down menu where you have the option to embark on a new adventure by creating your very own account. Look for and select the Create an Account option from this menu. Now that we're on the registration page, the first thing you'll be asked to do is enter your email address. This is an important step, so make sure you provide an email address that you can easily access. This email will serve as your primary means of communication with Booking.com. From reservation confirmations to reminders or special offers, everything important will land in this inbox. Next up, we need to set a secure password. Booking.com values the security of its users, so your password should be strong enough to keep your account safe. A reliable password typically consists of a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and perhaps a special character or two. Take a moment to create a password that you'll remember but is complex enough to provide security and peace of mind. Enter this password into the designated field on the registration form. Once you've carefully entered your email and password, the final step is to submit your registration. You'll find either a Get Started or Create Account button waiting for you to click. By clicking this button, you're sending your registration details to Booking.com, officially initiating the creation of your account. And there you have it. You've just created a new Booking.com account. From here on out, you can easily book accommodations, save your preferences, and enjoy personalized recommendations. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.